YouTube, Dr. Evette here, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today's video is just a vlog of Austin and his crew putting in our water irrigation system. And this is so important to myself and to Mert because we really want to have beautiful grass. So this is really not about the garden beds or the things that we plant in the raised beds. This is about me having green grass. But I'd like to tell you, if you don't put in your water irrigation system before you move into your house, please be sure not to plant anything until it's done, because this made the work for the guys even tougher. You see me here with one of the workers, and he's talking about how great the dirt is here that our builder brought in, but it also got in the way. The plants got in the way of them having to put in the different pipes and things like that. Even my little gravel that I have to help the water drain off the house, all of those things are in the way. So if you can help it, don't plant a thing until you have your water system put in. It just makes it easier for the workers. And so this is just a video of the process that we went through. It is so new. Yesterday we tested the zones to just make sure that it's watering for the right amount of minutes. And I am hoping that this water irrigation system allows me to have a beautiful garden bed, beautiful green grass, and so much more. Thanks for watching. On this side, they used a bigger piece of equipment, but they had to stop and do some hand digging because this is the side that our septic tank is on. Here I'm walking across the center of the yard just to see how they have the spouts positioned and which way they're going to spray, just to make sure that every piece of my grass get watered. There is Adam raking, and just to make sure that every piece of the grass gets watered, because I am looking forward to having green grass. And then there is Austin and his wife Amber. Something's happening right here, because this is a bigger piece of a hole and a bunch of wire coming out of it. But look at this clay dirt. Lots of clay dirt. And that's the pump house over there, the water source, where our well is. Austin and his crew does an amazing job. Once they finish up, they rake the dirt to make sure you don't have these unnatural lumps in your grass. And then they mark all of the spigots just so when you test it, you can make sure that they're doing what they need to do and coming up properly. This was an amazing process, and I can't wait to see my grass. One last thing that was a part of the process, Austin included a spigot out in the raised bed area, and he did such a nice job so that it's not an eyesore and that it goes along well with what I've designed over here. What an amazing process, and I couldn't be happier.